Hi guys, this is PHP Luminova, and today we are going to discuss how you can use Symfony Twig templates with your PHP Luminova. So the first thing you need to do is install PHP Luminova in your system. So as you can see, we already have the latest version of PHP Luminova, which is 3.1.0 as of this video. So now what we need to do is, first we need to go to our configuration file, our template configuration file, and change the template engine to Twig. So in order to do that, we go to application config folder and locate template config.php. we locate this template.php and we change this template engine, we change to Twig. So we save it. Then if we reload our website now, you can see there is an error because we haven't installed Twig template. So we need to install Twig. So in order to install Twig, we need to run this command, or you can go to Twig official website and copy the composer installation command, open terminal and cd to your project directory and run this command. Okay, so once the installation is done, we can now head back to our project and reload it. Okay, now you can see now we are using Twig. Let's see the Twig index template. So we go here, we go to our controllers, our resource index.twig. You can see now we can use Twig syntax. If you wish to customize your Twig environment, you can do that by going to app, controllers, config and template, and you can locate a Twig directly. Here you can add Twig extension. If you want to add filters. So that is all for today. The next video we're going to show is how you can use Smarty template with PHP Luminova. Thank you guys.